In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva designs to Mailchimp. Whether you're ready to spruce up your email campaigns or simply keen to streamline the process of integrating eye-catching graphics, the steps we're about to discuss will effortlessly guide you through the task. Now let's dive right into it. First off, make sure you have your Canva design ready. You'll need to download this design to your device, and doing so is fairly simple. Open the design in Canva and look for the Share button. When you click on it, you'll see an option to download. Choose this and you'll be prompted to select a format. Depending on what you need, you can opt for JPG, PNG, or PDF. I suggest considering the format based on your design's complexity and how it integrates with your email design. Next, to gear up for the upload, we need to access Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't signed in yet, find the login page and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Content Studio. This is where all your creative materials reside in Mailchimp, making it a vital hub for your campaign assets. In the Content Studio, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and select Content. From there, click on My Files. This is the area where we'll be storing the Canva design. Now spot the Upload button. Clicking this button will open a file selector window directly from your device. Go ahead and locate the Canva file you've just downloaded. Select it and follow the prompts to start the upload process. Mailchimp will handle the rest. Once your design is uploaded, the exciting part begins, integrating it into your email campaign. When you're curating your next email and you've reached the stage of adding images, click on Insert Image. You'll be able to access all the images you've stored in Content Studio, including the freshly uploaded design. Select it and it will seamlessly embed into your email layout, ready to captivate your audience. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly download your Canva designs and integrate them with Mailchimp for dynamic email campaigns. As you familiarize yourself with the routine, this process will soon become second nature, allowing you to focus more on crafting engaging content and less on the logistics. So that's it, easy, right? Now you're all set to blend creative visuals from Canva with the flexible email tools offered by Mailchimp. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.